Hello, good afternoon, good evening, good day, whatever you are wherever you are in the world. Today is 27th of April 2021, and today I'm gonna show you a couple ways to install a Brave browser on Ubuntu. Brave browser. Let's look at what Brave browser is. Brave browser is Brave browser. Brave browser is a free and open source web browser developed by Brave Software based on the Chromium web browser. So this browser is basically like Chrome browser, because like it's in terms of like something ability or something, anything that Chrome browser can do, Brave browser can also do. So without further ado, let me show you how to install Brave browser. So the simplest way to install Brave browser is go to your Ubuntu software and search for it there. So let's wait for it, and here it is, Brave browser. So just click on this install button, but this is not because most of you as Ubuntu as Linux user we like something that's more complicated than this one. So let's go through the other way. If you like this one, just click on this install. Fine, it will install, but let me go back to how I install through terminal. So when you go to brave.com, is it brave.com? I don't know, I really forget. Yes, it's brave.com. Then click on this download Brave. So from there, you have at times you have to check you have to check your choose your operating system, but mine is choose by default. If you not choose, just type /linux /money_linux again. So based on the distro that you are in, I'm in Debian 9+S. I'm running Ubuntu 16.04 or higher. I'm running 20.04. Let me show you. This is Ubuntu 20.10. I'm running Ubuntu 20.10. So just go with that. If your Ubuntu is greater than 16.04, you are good to go. Then by the way, then open your terminal. To open your terminal, you have a couple of steps. You can press home and type the word terminal. Here it is. Or you can press Ctrl Alt and T. It will still open the terminal anyhow you like it. So if you after opening the terminal, so you see you get, just follow the instruction here, but sudo apt install. You have to copy this code the way it is, and don't double click like this. You see, if you look at this, there is a little bit space here, so it will bring an error at times. Not always, but usually bring an error. So copy exactly to the where the alphabet ends. So then paste it in your terminal. To paste, you either do right click and paste, or Ctrl Shift and V, and then enter. You have to enter your password, so let me enter mine. Yes, then copy the next command to exactly where it is, then go back, Ctrl Shift and V, enter. Just wait for it. Yeah, then copy the next command here. Let me copy this way so that you will know it is possible. Then sudo apt install, sudo apt update. Then you just install it. Yes, while it's installing, it depends on your internet connection. So let me pause the video. When it's done, then I'll come back. So welcome back. It has finished installing just a couple of minutes later. So to start our Brave browser, you can either search for it here, Brave, sorry, right, Brave, or just type in Brave-browser on your terminal. So this is asking me whether to set it as default. I'll say yes. This option is up to you. I get BraveBrowser free, so no reason why I will not help them to improve their work. So this is BraveBrowser. So let's go through some of the tour here. Let go. Yes, I want to import my browsing history from Chrome. You know, I'm using Chrome earlier before, so I want to import my browsing history and other cookies and session from Chrome. Yes, imports. If you like, you can read there, listen, then choose your search engine. In this place, I want to tell you about something. And you see all this in here that just pop up is my extension that I installed earlier in Chrome. So it's installing them here because I say I wanted to import my browsing history from Chrome. So this search engine here, let me wait for this thing to finish installing. Close. Yes, close. What remains again? Let me close this. Okay, remaining you. I go about you. This search engine here, I wanted to talk something about. There's one again. Okay, fine. This search engine here, I wanted to tell you something about. Like here, there is Google Chrome. Google, which is the default by now. We have DuckDuckGo. You know DuckDuckGo. Most of it is used for privacy. Once it have its own this Bing is the second popular search engine, but the one I'm using here is Startpage. Startpage will literally give you all the results that Google give you, and without any and with full of privacy policy. Your data are not compromised, are very secure, no tracking, nothing like that. So I'll go for this start page. Yes, set at default. Yeah, then start using reward. I'll just say done, or anyone, let me say done. That's all. So this is my extension from the other browser here that I installed, but I need to uninstall it. So where's my extension bar? Where are you? Momentum. Remove from Brave. Yes, remove. Yes, I uninstall you, so I don't have issues. So this is how Brave look like when you first install it. This is how it is. So you can customize it the way you like. If I come to this edit card, and I disable this, and I start Brave start. No, I like that one. And this I totally disable this because for security purpose, when you visit site, it will be listing them here. So I think this is not good for me, so I enabled it and disable that. So Brave today, yeah, I leave that. My clock is 24 hour. You can leave it either, you can choose the type of clock that you want, either 24 or 24 hour, but I'm good with that. Then my cards here, I literally hide all of them. I need a clean surface here. So to me, my Brave is good to go right now. So like if I search, let's say Facebook, let us search Facebook and see. I know due to the blocking of trackers and other things, at times it used to be slower than than Chrome, but to me I like it. I know you do like it because of privacy. So you can open another tab. And what I like with Brave is any extension that you install in that you can install in your Chrome browser, you can also install it in your Brave. Any extension that you know, guys, you see all of this my extension, they are from my Chrome browser. If you go to extension.chrome, extension Chrome, or let's say Chrome, I don't forget the exact URL. Chrome extensions, is it extension.chrome? That I don't forget the exact, but let us go there and it will pop up. So it depends on your internet speed also. Here is the site. I saw it. chrome.google.com/store, maybe something like that. So here you find all the any extension that you know is available in Chrome. You can install it in BraveBrowser because they are all built in the same engine, Chromium. So that is it, guys. I hope you enjoy it. And for instance, if you don't like Brave, you wanted to uninstall Brave, so you can go to follow this article. Tell me, is it ask Ubuntu uninstall BraveBrowser, ask Ubuntu. Yeah, I know it will pop up here. And here it is. So just follow the instruction. You with one line of code, you can uninstall Brave from your system. Either you follow this one, or just copy this one line of code here and paste it in your terminal. So okay, this one is running here, so I'm just paste it in your terminal. You are good to go. So that is it, guys. In my aim to show you how to install BraveBrowser, and you already have seen how to install the BraveBrowser here. So thank you, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.